Hey everyone, Hobby Box Break here. Do me a favor, hit that like and share button, and don't forget to hit that bell right there in the bottom right hand corner. When you do, you'll be up to date with all our Hobby Box breaks that we got coming up. And for every comment that you leave, we will enter you in twice. That's right, twice into our drawings. Once for our March mystery drawing. It's got some good stuff in there, printing plates, sketch cards, some other stuff. And into our flawless briefcase giveaway. This has got over $1,000 worth of autographs, parallel cards, number cards, all sorts of sweet extra cards in there. So check that out, and if you check out the video at the end, you can see a good bulk of the cards that are already in there, but you have to watch the other videos to see what other stuff that we have inside of there. All right, so with every Hobby Box break, we give away some parallels. We put them into the flawless briefcase, and we are going to put a Zapped Zach, Junkatarian John, Sugar Sheena, yellow parallel, and if you caught Fortnite Weekend, we are going to put in this sweet Optichrome into the briefcase. So if you're a Fortnite fan, check out Fortnite Weekend. Leave a comment, even if you don't like the videos, and we will still enter you in for 2 drawings. So check that out, everyone. All right. Let's see what we can get. It's got a little ding on there. Hopefully that means we're going to get some sweet cards. Here we go. Pack number 1. Budget Butch. Oh, right off the bat, we got an Adam Appetite blockchain digital card. We got a Baked Brent. Stompin' Stella, Booger Parallel. And as always, guys, if I miss something on here, let me know. If you call out in the comments, it's a biggie, I'm going to send you some free parallels and some insert cards. All right, Ridiculous Reese, Rob Patrick. Gummy Gus, Connoisseur, got a Spilled Milt, yellow parallel, and then a Betty Spaghetti, Booger parallel. Let's all go. Green Booger parallel. All right, Food Fight Felix, Booger parallel. All right, 2 packs left. Come on, auto. More sketch card. That's cool. Feed selfie Steffi. Peckish Pinky. Booger Parallel. Last Mila. All right, last pack. Woody Blocks. Carmine Yellow. All right, thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that bell in the bottom right-hand corner there. Then you can check out Food Fight Week. Be up to date on those video releases leading into Sapphire Weekend. So stay tuned, everyone. Thanks for watching.